Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Imperishable Brahman, Chapter 8, Shloka 21. That which is called the unmanifest and the imperishable, they say, is the highest goal, path. They who reach it never again return. That is my highest abode, state.
Chapter 8, Shloka 21. Avyaktoksara iti uktaha tamaho paramangadim yam prapya na nivartante taddhama paramam mama.
Chapter 8, Shloka 21. The unmanifest is the substratum upon which the manifest world of names and forms plays its drama of creation. Is the unmanifest the supreme, or is there any other goal of life? That unmanifest is the imperishable, which was defined earlier and is the highest goal for a human being to achieve. It is Brahman with Om as its symbol. The self as pure awareness lends sentiency to the unmanifested vasanas to project in the form of the manifested world of activities and temperaments. Till the self is not attained, there is birth again and again. Even if the individual were to reach a higher level of consciousness, the ego, to exhaust the remaining vasanas, will have to take a new body, which is a house of pain and finitude, as explained earlier. After realization of the self, there is no return, as the cause for rebirth, the vasanas, along with the ego, is not there. We cannot ask why there will be no return, as the cause hunting is generally there for things that happen. We can inquire why the infinite has become the finite, but the question doesn't arise why the infinite should not fall again into the finite. On waking up alone, can the individual realize the falsehood of his dream? The dreamer can never, as long as it is dreaming, realize the delusion from which he is suffering. He wakes up and realizes that he is free. The highest goal is to reach the state of pure consciousness, the imperishable, which is available for the meditator as the self. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.